Greetings to all. The intelligent use of science and technology are the tools to achieve a new direction. Resuming with the next part of our Science Day celebration, let's remember the magical and amusing scientific experiments given to this world by our genius Indian scientists. Since the primordial period, the brilliant mind of Indian scientists have not only changed the way the world works, but have also the commendable contribution in the field of science and technology, which has been recognized around the globe. Indian scientists have revolutionized the world by excelling in mathematics, warfare, geometry, space science, astronomy, physics, chemistry, botany, and the list goes on. Dr. C.V. Raman, Raman effect, Hargobind Khurana, control of nucleotides in synthesis of proteins. J.C. Bose, measure growth in plants. Meghnad Saha, how to tell physical and mental condition of stars. Undoubtedly, these all are the results of dynamic, fabulous, and unmatchable achievements of Indian scientists. Happy experiment.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Savreen Kaur, and I am from class 9th. I am going to speak on Indian achievements since 1980s. From explorations in space, nuclear and defense technology to inventions that have improved our everyday life. A few milestones in India's scientific and technological process are represented. DNA fingerprinting and diagnostic center. In 1970s, while studying the evolution of sex chromosomes in a particular species of snake, the banded krait, Dr. Singh and his colleagues observed and recorded a specific pattern in DNA sequences, which they named BKM sequences. Between 1978 and 1988, while working at the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Dr. Singh established that his sequences and the methods of studying them could be used to generate DNA fingerprints even for human beings. The control room of Kalpakkam Atomic Center. Nuclear power is a complicated science. Kalpakkam, which is about 80 kilometers south of Chennai, a nuclear power plant including facilities for power production and waste treatment, is one of the 3 major nuclear fuel processing facilities. Every tiger has a unique pattern of stripes. In 1995, Karnataka-based conservation zoologist K. Ullas Karanth suggested that camera traps and statistical models should be used. A camera trap is a camera equipped with motion sensor. After it has been installed, data gathered is then put through a rigorous statistical analysis to produce an estimate of tiger population. Pokhran 2, one of the 5 atomic weapons that were tested on May 11, 1998, being lowered into test shaft. On May 13, 1998, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee announced that India's new status as the world's 6th nuclear weapon. Armed power 2 days before PM's announcement on May 11. Operation had been initiated. Pokhran 2 was the first Indian test of a nuclear weapon since 1974. Thank you.
Science and technology have had a major impact on society, and the impact is still growing. As a result of research and development efforts, innovations are achieved, resulting in creations of few milestones in India's scientific and technological progress in 4 decades. From exploration of space, nuclear, and defense technologies to innovations that have led improvement in everyday life. Now, let us contemplate the origination of such innovative attainments.
When India has been venturing hard to create native hardware for space exploration and fortification purposes, India created an advanced fighter jet with the latest bells and whistles. It revealed to the world Tejas, a delta wing multi role light fighter developed at Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, which first flew on January 4, 2001. Tejas is a single engine multi role fighter that has a tailless construction with a compound delta wing, big triangular wings that form a triangular shape. Moving further to counting technologies, electronic voting became a standard across the country in 2004, reducing time needed to vote as well as to declare the results, with improving nationwide connectivity. It, however, strengthens confidence in elections. It also prevents double voting. Stepping here to India's first mission to Moon, Chandrayaan-1 is developed by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in 2008. It is operated for almost a year. The lunar orbiter is best known for helping to discover the evidence of water molecules on the moon. The name Chandrayaan means mooncraft in ancient Sanskrit according to NASA. It was powered by a solar array that charged lithium-ion batteries on board. However, the spacecraft permanently lost communications with the controllers on August 29, 2009, leading to the urge of a successor mission called Chandrayaan-2 in 2018. Counting to the advancement in defense technology, INS Arihant is a class of Indian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines being built for the Indian Navy. It is launched on July 26, 2009, the anniversary of Kargil War, Vijay Diwas. INS Arihant is capable of firing ballistic missiles and can stay underwater for months. It can dive to 300 meters and is powered with an 83 megawatt nuclear power reactor. Heading up to the advancement in welfare services, when all Indians are being issued a 12-digit unique identity number based on both biometric and demographic data by the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. Primarily, it is to be used as the basic for efficient delivery and welfare services. Now, with such progress and evolvement in science and technology, I would like to end my say. Thank you.
Very good morning to all of you. Myself Srishti Nanda of class 11th A, and today I've gotten the opportunity to speak about the inventions and projects launched by our scientists in the time period of 2010 to 2020. Invention of science weave inextricably the web that binds a man to a man, a group to a group, and a nation to a nation.
The first space project being Mars Orbiter mission. Of all the planets in the solar system, Mars has sparked the greatest human interest as the conditions in Mars are believed to be hospitable, since the planet is similar to Earth in many ways. Mars has surface features reminiscent of both the impact craters of the Moon and volcanoes, deserts, and polar ice of Earth. A space probe orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014, it was launched on 5th November 2013 by Indian Space Research Organization. The primary objective of the mission was to develop the technologies required for designing, planning, management, and operations of an interplanetary mission. The second objective was to explore Mars' surface features, morphology, mineralogy, and Martian atmosphere. In 2014, China also referred to India's successful mission as Pride of Asia and won US-based National Space Society's 2015 Space Award. The second invention is the milk paper sensor. Scientists at Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati have developed a simple paper kit that can test freshness of milk and tell how well it has been pasteurized. Aided with a smartphone app, the kit can help ensure that milk is consumed before it turns too sour. Milk being widely consumed food, its safety is of prime concern to consumers, more so because it is highly perishable and prone to action of enzymes and microorganisms inherently present in it. Although pasteurization, freezing, and preservation using additives are widely used to prevent spoilage, perishability of milk is still a concern. A milk enzyme, alkaline phosphatase or ALP, is considered an indicator of milk quality because its presence even after pasteurization indicates presence of microbes that may not have been rendered inactive with pasteurization. The third on the list is Covaxin. Covaxin is a virus-based COVID-19 vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with Indian Council Medical Research, National Institute of Virology. On 3rd November 2021, WHO validated the vaccine for emergency use. In May 2020, ICMR has approved and provided the virus stains for developing a fully indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. In June 2020, the company received the permission to conduct phase 1 and 2 trials, and both of their results were published in January 2021 and on 8 March 2021 respectively. On 12 October 2021, it got approved for the usage on children. In conclusion, see how far we have come in our lives with the help of science and technology. It's commendable the way we have handled various situations and turned out the best. Thank you so much.
So this is how science and our legendary Indian scientists have taken India to great heights. And this is going to continue forever.